What's up, witches? Welcome to my channel. So Ashley. Today's video, we're doing a fun little creepy photo shoot for Halloween, and I'll be dressed as Ruby Lane from Fear Street, and then Alexi will be dressed as the Camp Nightwing killer. So let's get into it. So first, for Alexi's mask, we just got a plain black plastic mask and then some burlap from the fabric store and just glued it on the front, and then I had him try it on, and then I just kind of pleated it and pulled it back so that it fit his head. And then I just hand sewed all the sort of pleating together, and then in order for him to take the mask off, I just sewed little pieces of Velcro to each side so they could slide it on and off, and then Velcro it when he puts it on. Here's how it turned out, and then after that I just had to trim the back pieces. And I tried to make it look a little bit worn out in the back and torn. So we found this shirt at the thrift store for about $2, and then we just splattered blood all over that. And then Alexi ordered a prop axe from Amazon, and we just put blood all over that too. fake blood. And then for my costume, I got this skirt at the thrift store for maybe about $6. And then I found this shirt in the child section for about $3. And it fit like a charm. So the skirt just needed a little bit of hemming, so I just kind of folded it on my body and then pinned it with safety pins. So then I just measured it out to about 18 inches is where it was marked, and then I just marked 1 inch extra for the hem, if that makes any sense at all. I just sewed the hem about 1/2 inch from the edge. And I just hemmed the lining separately and then hand tacked that to the outside fabric. And this is how it turned out. The last step for me was to do my makeup, so I got liquid latex from the Halloween store, or the costume store, whatever. And this was the first time I've ever used it. It was kind of difficult, but I figured it out after a little bit of practice. But Ruby Lane has like a lot of cuts all over her, so it was really difficult to use my left hand to get a cut on my right arm. Yeah. But I was definitely happy with how the left arm turned out. So after I finished my makeup, it was off to the forest to take some photos. And I definitely felt a little funny walking around in a skirt and heels and my hair and makeup done in like a hiking area, but it was definitely worth it. Here's how it turned out. That's all we have for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for 100 subscribers.